Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a new look with a palette that's newer to me that I haven't really had a chance to play with yet. And I thought I'd go ahead and tell you how I'd done it because I thought it worked out pretty well. I'm always on the lookout for a good rose look. So what I did was I went ahead and started with the Glossier, and I mixed that with the Liquid Lights by Colourpop. So I went ahead and mixed these two. With the Glossier, it is a little bit thicker and it is shade 4. So this time of year, I'm a little bit lighter, and by mixing it with the Liquid Lights, it just makes it a little bit thinner. Easier for me to wear, but this is going to be my summer shade. So I'm crossing my fingers that I get a lot tanner this year. And I didn't really use bronzer today. It was just run around day, not going to be anything fancy. And so I went ahead and used Brut Flut. This one's by Colourpop, and I have that on as my blush. And then this one's a cream. I went ahead and put a little bit of the Milani Rosa Oro powder on top of that. And with me, I find that if I have a cream with the powder on top, it tends to stay, so it'll stay all day for me. And that part I really like. Did go ahead and use the Undone Non-Sur palette for my highlighter today, and I did go ahead and mix these two shades together to go ahead and get the highlighter here. Find out that this one just works really well. And I don't know if they're still over at Ulta. They may not be there anymore. But I also went ahead and used the Unity palette, and this one's from Adept. With this palette, it is newer to me, so I haven't played with it that much. But as far as what I did today, I went ahead and used this one in the crease, and then I used this one on the outer corner. Combined these two, and I used them from here to here. And I went ahead and used this really pretty pink shade right on the lid itself. So this is what I have on there, and I think it turned out really pretty. I'm really liking it. This is actually a couple of hours into wear, and I did go ahead and spruce up a little bit, but mostly this look is just kept going, which I love. And I used an Emride eyeliner with it. This way the look came out. And just to let you know, if you feel that your eyes are like closer to your nose than you would like them to be, and you want them to feel a little bit more spread out, going ahead and doing this line right here from here to here in a lighter color will go ahead and give the impression that you have more space in your eyes and that they're farther away from your nose. And that's something that I like to do because I find that it just makes me feel a little bit better, and I like the look a little bit more. So that's definitely something you could do. Again, if you had that situation. As far as what I went ahead and did for the lips, I used the Glowing Lips by Colourpop, and then the Adept Cosmetics gloss on top. Again, I'm always looking for a really good rose look. I've been wearing this one for a couple of hours, and I just took another look at it and said, yeah, that's really working. So I wanted to make sure that I went ahead and got it all filmed. And the Tartlette, as far as the mascara, the Catrice Sungasm powder for a little bit of a finishing powder. And I think that's just about everything that I have going on. Again, I wasn't planning to film this, but when I find a good rose look, I want to, make sure that I share it with everybody because, yeah, you can end up with some odd ones. And so when you find a really good one, it's a good thing. And I think that's the video for today. So I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.